Okay, let's go. Oh, that might be it. Okay. Yeah. This is the end of the line. How do we get to the sign now? Just to the sign. There's a lot of lava here, huh? The swirls. Yeah, so apparently it's open 3 p.m. till 8 p.m. Explains why all the rental places are closed. Apparently if you ask them you want to rent a bike, they'll let you park closer. Otherwise you gotta park way down there.
Right now it's 11:39 a.m. Got a few hours fully open.
But we're gonna see what we can do right now. 4 a.m. till 10 p.m. Yeah, so I guess this is where you well, there's so many, look. Look at all those. You're gonna get a yellow one or an orange one. There's a lot of bike rental places. Some include flashlights and things.
Bit of a hard sale.
Yeah. So I guess a lot of viewing times 3 till 8 is like advised times or something, because it looks like you can just come here and park whenever you want. So you can park right there if you want. Even though the sign says authorized personnel only, which doesn't make sense.
Oh, the hayride.
Yeah.
Never seen that one before.
No slippers or flip-flops. Hard hike. Bring a working flashlight. Uh-oh. This is the end of the road, look. Be prepared for an 8-mile... Oh wait, 8-mile round trip, yeah. Oh, we knew that, never mind. Pack it up, pack it in. Cat got in for free, look. Yeah, so the hike really starts here. Got a little feral cat there. And yeah, all the rentals. I think some of them have snacks and drinks, but that's about it. And then you're on your own. Face the elements. So we're a little bit up, maybe 100, 200 meters. There's some houses. Houses on the lava. That's all dried up and fine now, but it can't be more than what, a few decades ago? Building houses on there? Oh, how would you trust it?
I wouldn't.
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
That's my phone, the lava.
Yeah, they got setting up again. If I was going to build a house, I'd plenty of space a few miles east, north, west. Yeah. It's a lonely hike. Yeah, this is pretty much it, isn't it? Let's accept the trailhead. A random house just in the middle of nowhere. Nice day, huh? Yeah, starting to see some craziness. That's the fence, which got a little bit engulfed. Yeah, look at that. Whew. You can run straight across there if you want. It's quick to take the road, but yeah, you're welcome to. Crazy. Look, beware of dog. I think dog might be roaming free, you know. There's private parking even a mile and a half up. I'm thinking that's as far as the cars go, but soon find out. We reached the end of the road. Firstly, I think you can just drive your own car this far, if this is all you want. Take a snappy and leave, huh? But you ain't getting by here in a car anyway. Everyone's on their own. You can see some smoke just over there coming up that hill. And again, there's toilets. Probably about 400 meters after the gate there. Okay, I think 2.6 miles in. Avoid the steam plume. So I guess that's where you see the hot water entry. Just here. And I saw some yellow painted arrows on the lava over there. Thinking it might be that way.
It turns out lava viewing area meant this, not moving lava.
Yeah,
That's true.
it's not true. Mystery solved. It's that way. Woo. So 6 miles round trip, that's 3 miles out. That's
a little over 10, I think, right? 10
total.
Or 11 miles.
So you're looking at that little foggy hill over there. That's where the lava is right now.
It'll be 11.2 miles.
11.2 miles.
Or-
Yeah, so 12-mile guy wins then. We got quoted 6, 2.5, blah blah blah. 12-mile guy wins. It's definitely a 12-mile trip right now. It's that hazy mountain. You can see the smoke, look, where it is. See that? That's where it is. I think at night time you can come here and not do that hike. And then you'll see the glow of orange just there. Yeah.
You won't see that for a while.
Yeah, there's the walk. Looks like it might take a while, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 miles on that. Bring hiking shoes. That's all I can say. Yeah, check it out. That is it.